buddies. Made these just a little while ago with my mason jars and some Epsom salt and little berries picks that I had. Simple and easy. Just take the mason jar, make sure it's clean and shiny, and then you fill it with the Epsom salt. You nestle the candle down inside the Epsom salt, and you do the same with the berry picks. And then you got these little beautiful candle glowing things to put around in your house. Right now I just put them on a tin tray I had, a galvanized tray, oval. But I'm not going to leave them here because I think I'm going to take them individually and put them around somewhere in my house between the living room and the dining room. But I just wanted to show you, simple, easy. And these are little Luminaries votives that I got from QVC. I have them all over my house. You see them, candles, 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 even candles in the other room. You might not be able to see those. But I have them all over the place. I love the glow. You don't have to worry about fire, candle wax melting and messing up your things. Going to bed and say, oops, I forgot to blow the candle out. You know, just battery operated. Just a simple little battery. Where's the battery? Here's the battery right there. And it's actually, this one is still in the pack because I have like 900 of these. And you just cut them on and off at night. Cut them on. I cut them on first thing in the morning. And I cut them off before I go to bed, you know, to preserve battery power. Here's one that's out of the plastic. Look, off, see, off, on. There you go. Come on. This one is on. Come on. Don't be difficult. He was trying to be difficult. Okay, everybody, have a good Saturday, a blessed Saturday, a happy Saturday. Merry Christmas.